Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for new moms: Dapple Baby Breast Pump Wipes. These wipes have been making waves in the parenting community, and for good reason. They're not just your average wipes, they're the best Dapple Pump Wipes you can find. Let's break down what makes them stand out from the crowd. First off, these wipes are specifically designed to tackle tough breast milk residue. Whether you're at home or on the go, they provide a quick and convenient cleaning solution, especially when soap and water aren't readily available. But what really sets these wipes apart is their powerful, plant-based cleaning formula. Made with 100% plant-based active ingredients, they effectively clean breast pump parts, shields, accessories, and more, without the use of harsh chemicals. And here's the best part: they're pediatrician and dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Plus, they're biodegradable, so you can feel good about using them. Now, let's talk about convenience. These wipes come in a resealable pouch, making them perfect for life on the go. Whether you're traveling or just need a quick cleanup at home, they've got you covered. So there you have it, folks, the best Dapple Pump Wipes on the market. If you're a new mom or know someone who is, do yourself a favor and grab a pack of these wipes today. Your breast pump will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy parenting.